Alright, my next call, and probably the last one for today, is a no heat call.
You will arrive
right now
at your
there's nobody in the
destination
house,
at 3:30 p.m.
but we have to make sure that they have heat, otherwise they require us to winterize it. So that's gonna be my call, and let's see what we got. See you there. Okay, here we are. House is really cold. They got no heat. Where the thermostat is. Okay. Here's the thermostat. Okay, cool. Hope. Okay. Nope. It's here. All right. See what they got. Okay, bathroom. Closet. Closet. Nothing here. I must be here probably. Not here either. Okay, of course, has to be the last one. Something went bad here. There is water everywhere. Alright. Okay, here's the boiler. Alright, well, I don't know how much you can see. This is a not good. All the valves are off. The main is also off. Alright, let me make a phone call and find out what I'm doing over here. Alright, I just talked to these people, and looks like this water, it wasn't here previously. So I tried to find out if we have oil in the tank. Alright, after I walk all around the house, I found the tank inside this, however you want to call it. I'm gonna try to see if I can see the gauge to find out if we got oil or not. Of course, there's no gauge. Great. All right, let's give it a shot, see what happens. All right. Let's see what we got. I don't know how good this is gonna be. Jesus. Alright. This is off. There's another switch upstairs. Let's take a look at it. Okay. Alright. We got power in the boiler. So open this good. Water cut off. Jesus. Alright, I don't think that there is nothing else I can do right now. Boiler is empty. We got no water pressure in the boiler, and it's completely soaking wet. There is water everywhere. Probably we got water inside the boiler too. So we're gonna winterize the house, and we're gonna probably come back and see how much damage we got in this boiler. So yeah, we're gonna proceed to do that. So I'm gonna empty it out, whatever we got left in my boiler, in the water heater. Also, the main water is shut, so we're gonna drain the whole house, and whatever traps I got on the sinks and everything else, I'm gonna just winterize it so we got no more water damage. This one is also off right now. It's a pretty nice mess over here. There she goes. All right, she's draining. All right, this is the main. It's closed, shut, so we're good. It's draining. All right. In the meantime, the main is shut. We're gonna just drain whatever water we got in the lines. What's the kitchen? Oh. All right. Bathroom. All right, that's that. Okay. Make sure that we got no other sinks. Looks like the leak or the burst, it was here somewhere. All right. All right. All right, she's empty. Okay, now gonna do the same thing with the hot water tank. All right, something that I noticed now that I am almost finished draining, the water leak that is coming from upstairs almost stopped. So it must be a broken pipe for sure. All right, she's pretty much done. Alright, it is done. Alright, well, I'm gonna take all my stuff out of here and pretty much good to go.